This is Mzansi Racing. And this is me wanting to die after finding out that I can't even continue developing the game anymore. It's been a tough couple of months, but I'm back. Now let me take you on a journey way far back so you can also find out why Mzansi Racing it might be cancelled. Okay, didn't really switch off. Hold on. Nope. Have to change. So yeah, let me start from the beginning, which is from last devlog. So let me break it down for you.
Back a nigga chase, 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 chase. Back a nigga chase, 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 chase. Back a nigga chase, chase. Back a nigga chase, chase. Back a nigga chase, 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 chase. ¿Qué vamos a comer? Back a nigga chase.
Yeah, even I'm speechless. But seriously, let's start from the last devlog. What happened last devlog? Okay, since then I made the E46 M3. I called it the Meistgesucht. I think that's how you say it. That's German for most wanted. And if you don't know, if you know, you know. You know?
Yes, they know that you put yourself another time that contents isn't easy. Penny is lonely.
Need for Speed Most Wanted is top 5 racing games of all time, by the way. So I made the E46. It was kind of troublesome. The center of mass was kind of off. I don't know why. I also changed the materials for the car, so now you can just, change colors like however you feel like, If you're feeling pink, if you're feeling red, green, we got the whole rainbow. Not like that though. I saw bugs, and I changed the main menu. It's actually kind of sick. It's just the quantum, driving around the racetrack, which is, pretty neat if you ask me. And then I called up one of my friends for some background music. In which he gave me permission to use 5 tracks, out of his own will. So shout out Justino720. He's pretty good. And in between all this, I was taking breaks. Started my second year of college, so things kind of got busy pretty quick. And the biggest obstacle was the gearbox, because I'm not sure if I've said this before. I'm not a programmer. I'm not very good. This game is practically held together by YouTube tutorials, and maybe asking AI oh, is this supposed to be like that? And then yeah, but thank goodness there's this lovely man called Bastion. This lovely son of a gun. Ooh, he'll read me a gearbox. So I just yoink, thank you, straight into the game, and we got a gearbox now. Now the biggest challenge is out the way, and it was time to make the speedometer and engine sounds. Engine sounds was, well, kind of easy to figure out, so I got my mouth to work. Pause, hey, yo! And then came the speedometer, which I thought would be easier to, implement. The design wasn't actually that bad, so maybe almost every car will have a different speedometer. Implementing it and actually it working accurately, yeah, that was kind of difficult. But you know what, I also got through that too. I even made some short form content, like I said, I was making big plans, and then my laptop died. Rest in peace to Astastic Senior. And yes, since there's an S-tastic senior, it does imply that there is an S-tastic junior. But that nigga been dead. That happened 2 months ago, by the way. So yeah. And also, assignments kind of got in the way, you know, school, tests. Yeah, it's not been a fun 2 months. Now you know everything, you're all caught up. So, what's next for the game? I think I'm definitely still gonna try to finish it. I won't reach my goal of releasing it before GTA 6 because you know everything's supposed to come out before GTA 6. And that's what happened in the last 2 months and why Mzansi Racing might be cancelled. But I do have a plan on how to get Mzansi Racing back up and running again. And all you have to do is like, subscribe. Very cool.